Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kat, and if you're new here, hey. So in today's video, this is going to be another hair sponsorship. So this hair sponsorship was sponsored by WorldNewHair. They sent me their Kinky Curly 22-inch lace wig hair, and guys, I love the way my stylist slayed me, y'all. She did my baby hair. She really did her thing. Like, she knew the assignment. Okay, link up in the description box or up above here of how I was able to style my hair and just do my makeup and everything. So it's gonna be a two-parted video. If this is something that you're interested in watching of how I installed my hair and how she did my baby hairs and everything, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so this is the wig that I was sent, the Kinky 22 lace inch. As you can tell, the side part is very short, which I don't like, but if you've been watching my videos, you know that this is the type of wigs that I've been getting sent. So this is why I decided to do the pushback method, so that I don't have to do any parting. So I bleached, I plucked. Yeah, the knots was very dark in the beginning and it was very bulky, but I was able to like bleach it and pluck it really nice. So yeah, everything turned out really well at the end of the day.
first day we met. There is no one else I think of more than you. Can't seem to forget, can't get you out my head. Here's the verdict and I'm crazy over you. How can one be down? Tell me where to start. Cause every time you smile I feel tremors in my heart. I have but one concern. How can I get with you till my day comes? Here's what I'm gonna do.
Check it.
Sitting up in my room, thinking about you. I must confess, I'm a mess for you. Sitting up in my room, I'm just a mess with a flame for you.
Where it's born, my man Double G, yeah, Randy, indeed, Mr. Smith got the leg,
How can one be down? Tell me where to start. Cause every time you smile I feel tremors in my heart. I have one concern. How can I get with you till my day comes? Here's what I'm gonna do. Gonna do, yeah. I'm honest for you, baby, baby. I'm just a mess with a flame. You know I'm crazy, you live this in my happiness. Turn my heart around. It's gonna make it round. Oh, tell me what is it? I need to know. Tell me if I'm falling or if I'm getting close. Close, baby, baby. I must confess, I'm a mess for you, boy. Oh, yeah. I'm just a mess with a flame. You know I'm crazy, you live this in my happiness. You turn my heart around. It's gonna make it round. Oh, tell me what is it? I need to know. Tell me if I'm far or if I'm getting close. Everything about you, I must confess, I'm a mess for you. Sitting up in my room, can't get a thing about you. I'm just a mess with a thing for you. Sitting up in my room, can't get a thing about you. I must confess, I'm a mess
Check it
for
out.
you. Sitting up in my room, can't get a thing about you. I'm just a mess with a thing for you. shock of you when you know the picture was bigger. Whoever kidding, but from the beginning, you ruin everything, every time. You are no friend of mine, motherfucking right, I'm bitter. You motherfucking right, I'm triggered. You motherfucking right, tryna let the time fly, tryna let the time go by, tryna let the time heal all, tryna let the time kill all of our memories. All you meant to me, all that history, all that's history. I'll calm down eventually, calm down eventually, calm down. This time we'll take it slow. Go figure, you were the trigger. You brought me to, I'm shocked of you when you know the picture was bigger.
The end result, I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and join my family. Videos you like, connects, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye. Oh, and thank you WorldNewHair for sending me this gorgeous hair. I love this hair. So thank you.